know reflective labels are a little bit harder to see in my office lights here, but I wanted to show this off to you today. This is a flea and tick prevention supplement plus itch relief for your dog. We have 2 dogs, Wally and Lloyd, and they love running around, rolling in the grass, all the fun stuff, going to the park, all of the things. And we want to make sure that we help them prevent flea and tick infestations. And that's where this comes in. We're not big fans of the chemical-laden collars or the powders or the sprays you got to throw on them, or some of these, we'll call them interesting pills that supposedly prevent that for months and months and months. Just makes us question what's actually in them. And that's where this simple supplement comes in. This has things like brewer's yeast, neem, and a couple other ingredients that are known to aid in the prevention of fleas and ticks. Also, there's a handful of other ingredients in this supplement that aid in case your dog is itching or anything like that. Our dogs absolutely love these. They have chicken liver inside of them, so they make a good treat. So you're not actually, it's not like you're having to force your dogs to take these. They're gonna want to take these. My dogs absolutely love them. And it's a daily supplement by weight. So you got a small dog, 10 pounds, they're gonna take one. I got a couple larger dogs. One takes 2, one takes 3. Look, if you're looking for a simple supplement to help your dog avoid fleas and ticks and maybe something to help soothe some skin irritation, you might check this one out. I think you're gonna love it.